Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So in this session, we are now proceeding to the next stage of development of the sale order entry form, in which we are now ready to bring the line items right from the sheet tabs sale order detail, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to enter an existing sale order number here, and then it is going to bring all the information of the shipment and the sale order details from which have already been entered into the system. Okay, so we enter the existing sale order number, for example, 37. Okay, so we press enter, right? So here we stopped in our last session, right? We put a stop in here, and this was the routine which is being done at the time of new sale order entry. Yeah, the new sale order entry line items. So we will, all we need to do is identify that which row from the sale order detail sheet is to be targeted and to play as a source of the sale order form, right? So what we do is now we are first of all using a variable that is line item tab, for example, right? L tab. We can give any name here. Okay, so it is an object. When we define anything as an object, so it will be referenceable. We will use it as a reference with the rows and columns, right? So because each object has certain components, the cell contents. So this we have to set. Whatever we dim, we do the set. Yeah, we use this in the set command and set these variables where and go to the sale order details sheet and pick the range A1 and plus the last, whatever is the last address of this. So last address picking is done here. Lx is equal to means go to the sale order detail sheet in this range, and from here the special cell Excel last cell dot address. So this is going to bring you the last cell. Okay, so since the control is yet to be executed, so let's press F8 to see what happens, right? So Lx, which is at the moment is empty. As soon as we press, you see it brings the K60. It returns K60 is the last cell of the range, right, of the sale order, so that it has to go through until the K60. Okay. Okay, so the since we know that the top left corner is A1 and top and bottom right corner is K60, so this is going to be the range of our L tab. F8 is going to be set as an object. It is an object, right? L tab is an object which is set. It is set as this part of that. So it is from A1 to K60. If we are entering more and more data, each time it is going to return the appropriate range which has to be referenced. Next is it is the starting point. For the first row is skipped, right? In the order form, we have the first row is blank, and the second row is the headings, and similarly in the order sale order sheet, right? So one item number is going to as many items which are accumulated for each item. At the moment it will remain 0. As soon as it finds an order with 37, this is going to be 1, right? This item number will turn 1, and it will pick up the product name and the quantity and display it. Okay, okay. So let's press and as soon as this is incremented and thing is entered, we will stop it, right? We will put a stop in it so that you can see that it is happening. Okay, so what it is doing is that it is going through the entire range of the line items data table, right? And as soon as it finds the order which you have got, that is 37, as soon as it finds 37 in the line items, so it is going to increment this with the IT number. So if it is 1, so that item will be listed here. If it is 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we leave it here and we run it so that you see it is happening. Okay? So that you can see them. Okay, so you see it has entered the complete line. It has one line, and it has displayed the right item directly picking it from the sale order detail tab. Okay, thank you very much for joining, and look forward to your participation in the next video. Thank you very much.